system of linear equations using the Dolittle's method. We have got three equations in which there are three unknowns. The system of linear equation has a general form of Ax is equal to b, where A is the augmented matrix of the system, and x is the set of unknown, where and b is the value on the right hand side. A is equal to the multiple of L and U, where L is the lower triangular matrix and U is the upper triangular matrix. Using Dolittle's method, the diagonal elements of the lower triangular matrix should be equal to 1, while the other elements are stated as the unknown A, B, C, and in the upper triangular matrix, the unknowns are D, E, F, G, H, and I. The multiple of this L and U is equal to A. The multiple is given as D, E, F, A, D, A, E plus G, A, F plus H, B, D, B, D plus G, C, B, F plus C, H plus I. By equating it with the augmented matrix, we know that the value of D is 4, E is 1, and F is minus 1. And similarly, we can find out the values of A, and by using the value of and A and D, we can find out the values of B, and similarly we can find out the values of G, H, and the other unknowns. We know that Ax is equal to B is the general form, and A is equal to the multiple of L and U. Here we have to introduce a new set of unknown variables, which is V. V is equal to Ux, and by substituting this value of V in this equation, the equation becomes LV is equal to B. As we know the values of A, B, and C, we substitute these values in this equation. LV is equal to B. The lower triangular matrix is given as this. V is the set of new unknowns, and B is are the values on the right hand side. V1 is equal to 13, and similarly by using the values of V1 and A, we can find out the value of B, V2, and by using the values of V1, V2, B, and C, we can find out the values of V3. We knew that V is equal to Ux by the equation given earlier. V is equal to Ux. Substituting the values as a matrix form, V1, V2, V3 is equal to D, E, F, 0, G, H, 0, 0, I. The values of D, E, F, G, H, and I are found out earlier, and you are again solving the matrices. We know that I into Z is equal to V3. We know the value of V3, which was derived earlier here, and the value of I is also known to us, which was found out prior, and the value of Z can be found out. Similarly, the value of Y and the value of X can be found out. So this was a method to find out the system of linear equations using Dolittle's method.